Addition and subtraction of binary number. In our previous video, we talked about conversion from one base to another. Also, we talked about conversion from base 10 to base 2 and also base 2 to base 10. Now, in this one, we're going to do addition and subtraction of binary number. Looking at what we have here, in binary number, 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 10. 1 plus 1 is 2. When you convert 2 to binary number, you have it as 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is actually 3. When you convert it to binary number, it is 1, 1. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. 10 minus 1, meaning 2 minus 1 is 1. 11 minus 1, like I said, we don't call it 11. So this is actually 1, 1 minus 1. 1, 1 minus 1 is actually 10. That's 1, 0. Just like 3 minus 1 is 2. So let's dive. Let's talk about our addition and subtraction. Now let's add together the first one, which is 1, 1, 0. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 0 base 2. And we have 1, 1, 1. No. 1, 1, 1. Put my sign. Okay. So, 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 10. So, 1 plus 1 give me 10. So, I'm going to underline my 0. I'm going to write it out. My 1 that is remaining will come up. So, I have 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 11. I'm going to write out my 1 and I'll bring out the other one too. So I have 1 plus 1, which is 10. So I'm going to write out my 0. But there is nothing else, so I'm going to complete it. And this is the answer. Therefore, 1, 1, 1, 0 base 2 plus 1, 1, 1 base 2 is going to give me 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 base 2. To the next one, which is the subtraction. So we have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, and 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. So our 1 is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so with this, let's subtract. 1 minus 0 is 1 minus 0 is 1. Now the next is 0 minus 1. Of course, 0 cannot take away 1. So you borrow from the nearest number, which is 1. Then you put your 0. Bring it here, it becomes what? 10. 10 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 1 is not possible. You borrow from this, we have 0. This becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 1. 0 minus 1, not possible. Can I borrow from 0? No, because there is no number there. So I'm going to move up to 1. When I borrow from 1, this becomes 0. I'm going to put it here. This is 10. But this is not what I'm looking for. This is where I'm going to. So I need to go 0 minus 1. It's not possible. I'm going to borrow from 10. Remember, 10 is assumed that it is what? 2. So when you borrow 1 from 2, you have 1. So you put it here. 10 minus 1, give me 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring down your 0. So this is not needed. So your answer becomes 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2. And that is all for addition and subtraction. Actually, it's a simple topic. It's something that the more you practice on, and once you're able to know this keynote I gave to you, we have so many. 4 is actually 100. We have 1,000. All you know is that you just convert the base 10 to the base 2 of this, and you will get it. I believe this video is well simplified. If you are finding it difficult, you're having challenges in solving addition and subtraction of binary number, remember the comment section is free for you. Write the question out. Also, give me your challenges, and I'll try my best to be able to answer and to solve it. With this, we come to the end of number base. We might go into the other one later. But for now, this is a simple one. We also have multiplication and division of number base. Enjoy this. If you have any question, let me know. Remember to what? Always like the video, to always subscribe the video and to always share the video. Thank you.